There's a reason I'm saying this, by the way. So these are the limits. These are the class limits. The class boundaries are like half up and half down. So the class boundaries here would be 20.5 and 28.5. The hell's that do for me? Well, what's this go to? 28. See how they line up now? So when I go to make my scale on here, there won't be any gaps. The rectangles go right on top of each other. But you have to do that little half up, half down thing, which to me, that's why I like this. This, you don't have to. This one would be 21, 29, 37. This way, it's going to be 20.5, 28.5. And then you go, what was the width again? 8. So add 8, add 8. So that's not too bad, right? Did I add 8? Yes, I did. And then 60.5. So that's that scale. This is truly numerical, so this is a histogram, not a bar graph. And then this one, so what do these represent again? Did I have an idea with that? No, let's just say this is ages of people at a bus stop. So you have to label your histograms. Otherwise, they don't mean anything. So what am I going to use here? The height of the histogram should relate to, just like before, the height for the Toyota and the Ford related to the number of people there. So this one should relate to either the number or more generally the percentage. That's the one that makes a little more sense to us. Again, this is something that humans made up. Well, we made up everything, but so this one, I got to go up to 30%, right? So this scale will need to do 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You just do 10, 20, 30. So that's really all there is 10, 20, 30. And then you label this relative frequency, real freak. And now you just make your bars. So this is a class right here. So there's going to be a bar between these two. How tall is it going to be? 30%. Oh my gosh. Maybe don't make it so curvy. And then how tall is the next bar going to be? 0. So this gap, the only gap means that was an empty class. How tall is this one? 20. The next one's 30. I think the next one after that is 20. It's a very boring little display, but all to it. So the data seems to cluster here, but there's a big group down here too. So that might tell us something. We need a larger sample. It's a very small sample. Okay, I'm finally going to shut up. I'm going to give you guys this here. This goes over, if you want to, you can even start on the back here. It's the histogram problem. But on the front is some stem and leaf problems, and like a histogram that's already made, you just have to answer a few questions about it. So whatever way you want to do it. And I'll leave it up to you. You can work with somebody else, or you can just be like, I don't trust these people. You can work by yourself. Is there another person there? Yes. This one? Yes.
How is it about
Say again?
between 45.5?
44.5?
Yeah, and 42.
52.5?
How did it's 30%, but you went over.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's just, I'm sorry. You got to give me some board license. You're right, though. That is too high.